Could one of Saturn's icy moons host life? So my research is primarily exploring the outer solar system, so everything from Jupiter and out, preferably without an atmosphere, so icy worlds, Kuiper Belt objects and asteroids, trying to understand what they're made of and whether any of them could host life. I'm trying to find out really what the surfaces are made from and how warm they could be, whether there's any heating that's coming up from below and whether that's being radiated to space, or whether there's any form of activities like cryovolcanoes, volcanoes made of ice and erupting. And those are things we'll look for in the thermal, the heat signatures of those moons. And we do that by sending spacecraft and instruments to them and having a good look. My research contributes towards just general exploration. One of the questions that humanity's always had is, are we alone? And I think that this work, exploring worlds that are fundamentally the most habitable places in our solar system outside of the Earth, brings us one step closer to answering that fundamental question.